Good day everyone. So for today, let's talk about how to download Scribd PDF file. So as you can see here, I have this PDF file. The title is Purposive Communication and I want to download it to read it offline. However, I don't know what to do. So as you can see, this is the full PDF file and then there's a download button here. Once you click that, you have the option, let's say download PDF, and then you need to at least create your account and then you just need to subscribe for the Scribd. However, let's say you don't have the money to subscribe yet for the Scribd. What are you going to do? So here's what are we going to do. Kindly go to Google and then kindly type Scribd PDF downloader and then click this one, the yellow one with I don't know, it's the lightning icon. Click that one, and then after that you just need to paste here the link of the script that you want to download. So you can go back here and then click this one and then copy there. Once you're done copying the link, you may now go back to the Scribd PDF downloader and then paste it here. So let's paste it, and then after that, get download now. Once we're done, let us wait for it to be downloaded. So one moment. Okay, as you can see, this is the title of the PDF for Purposive Communication, and let's wait for it to be verified. Okay, verify you are human, and then success. Click download PDF. Then once done, okay, please wait for a moment. Once done, click download PDF. After that, let us wait. Okay, and then click this download file here. You can start your download in 2, 1, and download. I'm not a robot, and then click download. After that, it will be downloaded. Let's check our download button. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so this is now the downloaded version or downloaded version of your PDF from Scribd. So as you can see, it's complete from first to last page. And what's good here is that you can read it offline as well. So we have here the different pages, okay, up to the last page. So that's it for today, and don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel.